What's going on, y'all? Sean from Math Swap Tutoring here, solving another SAT type math problem. I have not looked at the solution to this. If you want to find out where I got the problem from, it is in the description under this video. But I encourage you to try to solve it on your own first before you look at this solution. Look at me solve it live, okay? All right, so let's read it together. It says in triangle ABC. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, I'm gonna start getting ready to draw a picture because I like to do that. The measure of angle B is 90 degrees. So we have a right triangle. BC, side BC is 16 and AC is 20. So I know that this is B. Side BC is 16. So I say this is our triangle here. AC is equal to 20. BC is equal to 16. Triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC, where vertices D, E, and F correspond to vertices A, B, and C, respectively. Okay. And each side of triangle DEF is 13 the length of the corresponding side of triangle ABC. There must be like some sort of oh, it's supposed to be 1/3. Let's correct that. Okay. So let's see what we have here. So that's crucial. 1/3 of the length of the corresponding side. What is the value of sine F? Okay, so you got to remember a little bit of basic trig here too. So let's check this out. So let's draw similar triangle DEF. Okay, so um vertices correspond to A, B, C. So it's going to be D, E, F. Okay, and we're wanting to find with this angle here, what's the value of sine F? All right, so let's think about this. So, first of all, if we want to find the sine of this angle, remember that sine is going to be the sine of an angle is going to be the opposite side over the hypotenuse. Okay. They've told us, they've told us what these side lengths are. We can find this side length over here by the by using the Pythagorean theorem, c squared equals a squared plus b squared. C right here is 20. So that's going to be 400. 20 squared is 400 is equal to, I just call this a squared. 16 squared is 256 plus b squared. Subtract 256 from both sides. I'm trying to do this without a calculator. Actually, you should be able to use a calculator on the SAT, all of the SAT now. So it's going to be three, I mean 10. So it's going to be four. Okay. So 144 is equal to b squared. So that means that side B is equal to 12. Okay. So this corresponds to a similar triangle. And oh, so check this out though. Check this out. It doesn't really matter necessarily that each side length over here is 1/3 the length of these sides. Because if these are similar triangles, the angles are going to be equal to each other. So sine of F is going to be equal to sine of C as well. So I can go ahead and do sine right here. So sine of angle C, well, let me do this. Sine of angle F is going to be equal to sine of angle C since the triangles are similar. So it's going to be equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So 12 over 20. Okay. And so both of these can be reduced, divided by 4, factor out of 4. So that's going to be 3 over 5. So the value of sine F is equal to sine of C, which is going to be 3/5. So let's confirm that that's correct, and that is correct. Okay, so remember, this is just kind of like a reminder of how geometry, basic geometry, basic trig works. Similar triangles, which means that the angles are going to be equal to each other. Hopefully that was pretty self-explanatory.